Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I will share for you about software can help you find any group with keyword and also posting using your page, your Facebook page to posting into any favorite group you want. Firstly, we need to find the group with your keyword. Firstly, I have some keyword. I'm using ChatGPT to scan it, so we need to copy this uh, keyword first and come back to the MQT UID. As you can see here, we can using MQT UID to scan any group, any page, profile, or any post to get information of user. So the first one, you need to come to a group scanning feature. In the group scanning feature, we use to the scan group ID. With the scan group ID, can using scan by keyword. Just paste the keyword into here and choose any keyword you want with your job. So okay, so after you get the keyword, we need to choose account first to scan and make some setting like this with scan per keyword. Scan. So you need to set up like scan per keyword about how many group like this, or you can choose the filter into here like only scan group with more than a number of member, or only scan group with the send support, or do not send support, or scan group as scan public or private group. So after everything was done, we can start now. So when you using this software, it's automatically came to your Facebook and scan all the information. So when we are waiting to the scanning function, we can come to the page first. In the page software, you can using your Facebook to create page and manage on your Facebook page like this. As you can see here, we can using the page in the manage page first. So after you want to posting something, we need to make the content first. In here, we can add the category in here to save your content. So after I am using ChatGPT to create some example of this post, I can using it for you. So the first thing we need to do is copying on this content first. So come back to the empty page, we can add the post into here, select the category and type of your content like I am using into here is the post content, post title, anything. So if you want to save many content, you can using this sprint structure. You can see into the loads here. You can open this curve to open your content and put your content one into here and make this. So with this function, with this structure, we can save unlimited content into page software. So after everything is done, you can also upload image or video if you want. And after everything was done, we can save it. So let's come back to the MQT UID. As you can see here, this software still automatically scan all the data. After everything was done, you can choose select on the group you want and choose the group you want to turn it into the Excel file like this. So after everything was done, you can import this data into the Excel file. So when you open this group, you can see here here is the name of the group in here. you can firstly you need to copy on the UID of the group first and come back to the empty page after we put your content into here. So we need to come to the posting function with here is the page interface. You can come to the post function. You come to post group. Firstly, we need to choose the account first, like this, and we need to make some setting like this. Choose the content, and if you choose the content, you just save it before to this software and make some setting like put to your group or put group by keyword or put group ID. So you can paste the group ID users file with the empty UID with the UID scanning software. You can here is ID group post to in order display maximum from 5 group and each group post to one post. So you can choose the random configuration into here like remove auto roy comment enter content into here like this. So you can also choose some setting if you want. And after everything is done, you need to choose on the page you have and you want to post into here. And so after everything is done, we can start right now. So as you can see here in the process log into here, it will automatically come to your account and switching into the page and file the group and auto choose your content and auto posting into it. As you can see here,